Welcome back to Rev Royale, where elegance meets horsepower and every journey feels like first class. Today, buckle up, because we're not just reviewing vehicles, we're stepping into 7 machines that will rewrite the meaning of road travel in 2025. These motorhomes don't just move, they mesmerize. They blur the line between engineering and indulgence, turning asphalt into a red carpet. From the elegance of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, a rolling penthouse that makes even 5-star hotels look modest, to futuristic masterpieces that feel ripped straight out of tomorrow, every model here pushes design, comfort, and performance beyond imagination. Some will make you whisper, wow. Others will make you rethink what freedom on wheels really means. So fasten your seatbelt, because by the end of this video, you might find yourself dreaming of trading your house keys for an ignition key. Let's dive straight into the future of luxury travel, starting with the motorhome that's redefining power, prestige, and possibility, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach. Let's start with the first game changer, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. Just saying that name feels like mixing champagne with gasoline, right? When you approach it from the front angle, the grille is unmistakably Maybach, bold, commanding, almost daring you to underestimate it. The front side view shows off sleek LED running lights that curve into the body, giving it an elegant but futuristic profile. Move to the side, and you notice its sheer size. It's massive, yet it doesn't look clunky. Instead, it feels sculpted, aerodynamic, a design that whispers, luxury yacht on wheels. The backside is where it surprises again, with flush tail lights and a subtle chrome strip that almost makes it look like an executive limousine stretched into a motorhome. The build quality? Solid. Maybach hasn't compromised. Steel, aluminum, and premium composites combine to make sure this isn't just pretty, but strong enough to tackle long hauls. Step inside, and it's almost unfair to call it a motorhome. The interior screams exclusivity. Plush seating wrapped in Napa leather, diamond stitching that feels softer than your living room couch, and an ambient lighting system that lets you set moods, whether you want cozy evening or party on the road. The sleeping area transforms with the push of a button, beds folding out silently while hidden storage compartments appear as if by magic. The kitchen. It's not just functional, it's gourmet. Induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, wine chiller, you'll wonder if you're on a road trip or hosting MasterChef. The bathroom is another marvel, with rainfall showers, heated floors, and yes, even a smart mirror that can give you weather updates before you step outside. Storage. Maybach has hidden it everywhere, beneath seats, behind panels, overhead. It's luxury that thinks ahead. What's luxury without performance? Under the hood, the Maybach Motorhome runs on a hybrid turbocharged V8 paired with an electric assist system. Translation. It's powerful, smooth, and surprisingly efficient. Driving comfort is unmatched, the suspension adapts in real time to road conditions, so potholes feel like minor bumps and long stretches feel like silk. Mileage is, of course, better than you'd expect for something this size thanks to that hybrid tech. Road handling is steady, confident, even when crosswinds try to push this big beauty around. And yes, it even has autonomous driving modes for highways, so you can let it handle some of the stress while you sip that espresso from your built-in machine. Now the price tag. The Maybach Motorhome comes in around $1.20 to $1.50 million depending on customizations. Is it worth it? Well, it's not for everyone. This is for the traveler who wants to merge private jet luxury with road freedom. If you're the kind of person who wants to pull up to a camping site and make every other camper turn their head, this is your ride. The second model on our list is the 2025 Winnebago Horizon Limited. Unlike the Maybach, this one doesn't scream luxury, it whispers practicality with style. The exterior design is sleek but approachable, with clean lines and a slightly futuristic side view that makes it look agile despite its size. The backside is compact with a unique ladder integration, making it easy to access roof storage or solar panels. Inside, Winnebago has focused on smart use of space. Modular seating that flips and folds, a kitchen that transforms depending on whether you're cooking a feast or making coffee, and a bathroom that somehow feels bigger than it is. Performance-wise, the Horizon Limited comes with a diesel engine known for durability, giving you confidence on long road trips. Price point: around $180,000. It's not pocket change, but for the value, it's a solid deal. Next up, number 3, the 2025 Airstream Atlas Touring Coach. Airstream has always been about blending classic looks with modern functionality. From the side, that iconic aluminum body gleams in the sun, instantly recognizable. The interior is where Airstream flexes, sleek cabinetry, luxury finishes, and a Murphy bed system that maximizes space without compromising comfort. Performance comes from a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, which means reliable handling and smooth driving. Priced around $260,000, it's for those who want heritage with high-end touches. Number 4 is the 2025 Thor Palazzo GT. This one is built for families. The exterior design is less flashy, but very functional. Side storage compartments pop open like magic, swallowing bikes, camping gear, even a foldable kayak if you're adventurous. Inside, the Palazzo GT is all about comfort for groups, bunk beds, a large dinette, and a living space that feels more like a condo than an RV. Performance is backed by a Cummins diesel, known for long-haul strength. Price comes in at $240,000, which is impressive given the family-focused luxury. For number 5, let's talk about the 2025 Hymer Vision Venture Concept, which has been turning heads in Europe. The exterior looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, with a side profile that screams futuristic adventure. The back has a fold-down patio, yes, a literal patio. Imagine parking on a cliffside and stepping out onto your own balcony. Inside, Hymer has pushed innovation, inflatable roof sections that expand for extra headroom, bamboo interiors for eco-luxury, and a smart kitchen system. It's based on a Mercedes Sprinter platform, so performance is solid, but the innovation is what steals the show. Pricing is expected around $300,000. Number 6 is the 2025 Coachman Galleria. On the outside, it's sleek, minimal, nothing too flashy. But inside, it's a tech lover's dream. Think smart lighting, app-controlled climate, voice-activated entertainment. The interior design feels modern, almost like a tech startup office. Performance is smooth, thanks again to its Sprinter base. Priced around $200,000, it's aimed at younger buyers who want tech first, tradition later. And finally, number 7, the 2025 Neumar King Air. If the Maybach is a mansion, the King Air is a palace. The exterior is bold, with a front fascia that feels commanding and a backside that looks sculpted rather than slapped together. Inside, everything is handcrafted, custom woodwork, Italian leather, even gold accents if you want to go all in. The driving experience is unmatched for a motorhome of this size: stability, silence, and pure dominance on the road. But the price? Around $1.3 million. It's not subtle, but then again, neither is the King Air. So those are 7 motorhomes that will completely change road trips in 2025. From the futuristic innovation of Hymer to the regal opulence of Maybach and Neumar, the spectrum of what's possible on 4 wheels has never been this wide. Whether you're a family looking for comfort, a solo traveler chasing efficiency, or someone who just wants to roll around in pure luxury, there's something here that redefines what road travel means. Thanks for joining me today on Royale Reverend. If you enjoyed this journey through the motorhomes of tomorrow, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your fellow travelers. And I want to know, if money were no object, which of these motorhomes would you pick for your ultimate road trip? Drop your answer in the comments below, because I can't wait to hear your dream choice. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your adventures endless.